This is the 2012 car show in Columbia, Pennsylvania. You've been here before, and you've enjoyed the show?
Oh, yeah.
Now, besides, you're an enthusiast, or do you just like to look at cars like I do?
I just like to look at cars.
Me too, yeah.
Yeah, where are you from?
Well, actually, I'm from York.
Oh, okay.
And northern Baltimore. Do you have any
Hello, hi, this is a big shout out to Fulton customer representatives Karen Mentlick and Cheryl Schroeder, who helped me a great deal in obtaining my Kindle Fire, which I showed a few scenes from the Columbia, Pennsylvania car show that happened a few days ago. I wanted to thank Karen and Cheryl because they did a wonderful job in helping me go through the process necessary to obtain my Kindle Fire tablet computer. I use it to surf the web, to upload videos to YouTube, and I find it useful in so many ways. And so thanks again to Karen Mentlick and Cheryl Schroeder for their great help. Without their help, I think it would have been a much more difficult process. They've done a wonderful job for Fulton Bank. I think they represent that bank in a wonderful way. I wanted to thank them, and I'm going to bring in a cake to celebrate this activity tomorrow, but I hope that that surprise does not upset them unnecessarily, because when you work in a bank, you don't need surprises. So again, thank you to Karen and Cheryl. I'm really enjoying my Kindle Fire. I've uploaded books in it, and I find it very useful in so many ways. Thanks again, Fulton, and thanks to your wonderful customer representatives, Karen Mentlick and Cheryl Schroeder. Thank you. Bye-bye. Here I am standing in front of my Fulton branch bank in Shrewsbury, Pennsylvania, and this is where customer service representatives Karen Mentlick and Cheryl Schroeder work. Now tomorrow I plan to bring in a celebration cake to the office to celebrate the acquisition of my Kindle Fire, which I tremendously enjoy, and I want to show my appreciation to those customer representatives. But people in banks don't like surprises particularly well, so I have to be very careful. They don't like large packages either, so I better be careful bringing in the cake, maybe in its own celluloid container and maybe unwrapped. So looking forward to meeting with these people tomorrow. See you then.